Welcome to the zoo, the Tat Zoo. And in the Tat Zoo, we have this box. This box contains many nouns, where if you're up for it, and I'm up for it, we can give you a random tattoo. In this box, you choose 4 nouns. You look at them, you read them, you understand them, you put one back, you leave those 3 to me, you leave a deposit, I draw you a pretty picture. And when I draw you that picture, you get it tattooed wherever you want it tattooed. And that's how the box works. In later iterations of this series, I will be doing more of a more in-depth video. This was just a simple time lapse. So, enjoy what you can see and leave comments, like it, tell me what you want to see differently, what you don't want to see differently, and that's all.
You played that boy. You played